CNSP Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether CNS Pharmaceutical stock a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end to find out. It is 10% up. If I come here to the weekly chart, you will see that it's actually like such a bearish market. It's crazy. And I mean, the idea behind this is like we're just having splits on top of splits on top of splits. And to be perfectly honest with you, like, it's just still a bearish market for me. Like, I'm not trying to like sit here and just say that it's not, when in reality it really is. So this is ultimately how it looked like beforehand, and we reached the lows finally. There you go. Now, because we had like this just this week, these are the all-time lows that we've made. So more likely than not, we're about to keep clearing the lows out. But what I'm not going to do is just sit here and guess. What I'm going to do though is just chill. You know, I'm not going to force any moves or whatever. So yeah, this is how CNSP looks like for me. And yeah, I will most definitely continue to keep you updated.